Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to dismantle a shock absorber. First, ensure your workspace is safe and you have all the necessary tools. Safety glasses and heavy-duty gloves are crucial for protecting your hands and eyes. Always secure your vehicle on sturdy jack stands on a level surface before you begin any work. This prevents accidental movement and ensures your safety throughout the entire process. Once the vehicle is safely supported, you can begin removing the shock absorber assembly. Start by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel, then raise the vehicle and remove the wheel completely. Next, locate the mounting bolts for the shock absorber, typically at the top and bottom. Carefully unbolt these mounts, ensuring the assembly is supported as you remove the final fasteners. This next step is critical for safety. With the shock assembly removed, you'll need to compress the coil spring using a pair of spring compressors. Attach them securely to opposite sides of the spring, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Gradually tighten the compressors, alternating sides, until the spring tension is fully released from the top mount. Take your time and be cautious. With the spring compressed, you can now safely remove the top nut from the shock absorber shaft. Carefully separate all the components, including the top mount, washers, and the spring itself. Take this opportunity to inspect each part for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. Replace any worn components to ensure optimal performance. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.